Hi everybody, welcome to ePrime for this evening. I am Daedran. Jazz lovers in for a treat. The Ministry of Culture and Entertainment, the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization UNESCO, and the Jamaica Music Museum Jam have teamed up to provide an epic evening of jazz, International Jazz Day Jamaica. Director and curator Herbie Miller says the event will feature the acclaimed American Curtis Lundy Quintet, the Jam Orchestra, vocalist Keisha Patterson, and the Dr. Kathy Brown Trio. The event will also observe the Institute of Jamaica's commemoration of its 145th anniversary. International Jazz Day is listed on UNESCO's calendar and was declared in 2011, with jazz luminary Herbie Hancock as its ambassador to highlight jazz and its diplomatic role of uniting people in all corners of the globe. The concert will unfold at the Louise Bennett Garden Theatre April 30, free of cost to the public. Support. Harvey Weinstein's 2020 rape conviction overturned by New York's appeals court. Thursday, New York's highest court overturned Weinstein's 23-year sentence in a 4-3 decision, finding that the trial court erroneously admitted testimony of uncharged, alleged prior sexual acts against persons other than the complainants of the underlying crimes. The court's majority called this an abuse of judicial discretion, reversing a landmark ruling of the Me Too era in determining the trial judge improperly allowed women to testify about allegations against the ex-movie mogul that weren't a part of the case. Weinstein will remain imprisoned for another rape charge in Los Angeles that he was convicted for back in 2022. But the New York ruling reopens a painful chapter in America's reckoning with sexual misconduct by powerful figures, an era that began in 2017 with a flood of allegations against Weinstein. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office signaled its intention to retry Weinstein, and his accusers could again be forced to retell their stories on the witness stand. Weinstein has been in a New York prison since his conviction of charges of criminal sexual acts for forcibly performing sexual behavior on a TV and film production assistant in 2006 and rape in the third degree for an attack on an aspiring actress in 2013. He was sentenced to 16 years in prison in the Los Angeles case. Canadian-born rapper Drake may find himself in a legal battle with Tupac Shakur's estate. Shakur's estate is threatening to sue the rapper over his recent Kendrick Lamar diss track, Tailor-Made Freestyle, calling what appears to be the use of an artificial intelligence-generated version of the late rapper's voice to a blatant abuse of his legacy. Drake released the track on his Instagram page last Friday, using AI-generated software to generate verses, emulating both Shakur and Snoop Dogg. In a cease and desist letter Wednesday, Howard King, an attorney who represents Shakur's estate, requested that Drake remove the track from all platforms where it is publicly available. Drake, whose real name is Aubrey Drake Graham, was given until noon today to confirm his cooperation. Otherwise, the estate will pursue all of its legal remedies against him, according to the letter, a copy of which was obtained by NBC News. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedra, and thank you for watching.